Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the notification flashlight. For this, go to settings, then here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one, then scroll down, tap on the option audio and visual, then swipe to bottom. Here you can see the option LED flash for alerts. Tap on this one, then you need to turn on this option LED flash for alert. So if you want to view the flashlight when you unlock the device, turn on this one. Then if you want to view the notification and the flashlight when the device is in silent mode, then turn on this option. So whenever you get any alerts or notification, then you will get the flash, then the notification light will turn on, flashlight. So simply in this way you can enable the notification flashlight in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.